आमी सध्या आसा 53rd इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया आणि हांगासर आमच्या वांगडा वेगवेगळ्या मानेस्ता कडेन आमी उलयतात. आमच्या वांगडा आयज अशेच एक मानेस्त आसा, रिशिता भट. मॅम, वेलकम टू आवर शो.
Thank you so much.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वेलकम टू गोवा अँड हाऊ इट्स फिलिंग इन गोवा.
Goa is very supportive, especially with IFFI. Being on the steering committee again this year, I always feel that Goa has been super supportive. The vibes are nice, the participation is fantastic, location is so beautiful, and we all love Goa. The international guests love Goa, and it's been so far so good, very special because we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Your career has been almost 21 years. You started from Ashoka film. How do you see the evolution of Indian films?
Well, evolution of Indian films has been large and magnanimous globally, and I think India is the content hub, and soon it's going to become one of the largest filmmaking countries.
Also, now the OTT platforms, you have also been part of OTT platform. So, what are the differences you see in the films and the OTT platforms?
Well, there's a lot of content. India is a content hub, like we are saying, and under the initiative taken by Honorable Minister and Honorable Prime Minister, that's what has begun. And we are having so much content from various, and we Indian cinema is so varied. We have languages, there are different languages, different OTT platforms. So I think there is no looking back for India to become, and which already is the largest content hub.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.